Yo, what's up guys? We're right now at Stupnik, that's a little bit outside of Zagreb. I'll put a map here so you can see. We're going to explore this. What do you think this is, Timur?
I think this is like an abandoned garage or storage building for there are some trucks there. This was a building firm, so I think this is where they repair their vehicles and like store them. So guys, we are here inside of a building, and as we can see here we have a pump. I don't want to open it because, you know, we have one rule is take nothing but pictures and leave nothing but footsteps.
Yeah, I totally haven't heard that motto anywhere before.
Bruh.
Yeah, sure. This basically looks like some sort of oil. I don't know what this is, but it's atrociously ugly. There are a bunch of tires in this place. Oh, no, yeah, we're not gonna test that. Well, there are a lot of tires in this place, which basically indicates the repair shop point that Timur made. I don't know what this is, but it looks like something we call katran. I forgot to introduce the people. Hello, this is Faruk. Say something. Recorder is gay. Who is gay? You. Me? No. Okay. And that over there is... Down there, Katran. That is Timur.
Here's the front door. It's been blocked, so I don't know, people cannot enter. And there's a lot of graffiti.
How deep this is. Oh shit. I mean, we can find out. Look. Look. No, not that. That's too light. Let's try and drop this. Okay, never mind. I can hear Timur talking all the time. He has something to say about everything. Fucking beers. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god. Ceiling has collapsed. Yo, dude, this is the water hose that was here.
Yo, did you notice the big tires that disappeared? Oh. Wait, guys, come here.
Oh, dude, here are the tires. The tires. Found them.
Come here. Come here. Get your ass over here. Okay, so we're going to be splitting up. I'm going to go up there. So Timur's going there, right? And then through the fucking hole, right? If we need Timur, we can contact him with this shit. It has like a 8-kilometer radius, so we can talk to each other from really far away. And this fucking floor is shaking. Holy Jesus. Feels like I'm going to fucking fall through this shit. I can't seem to I can't seem to spot anybody. Oh shit, there's a lot of glass here, guys. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be anybody over there, which should suggest that we are able to go there and explore without bumping into anybody who shouldn't be there. Oh wait, what's in this room? Kabelushki. There doesn't seem to be anything over here. Yeah. Basically nothing. Dinamo Zagreb for life, fuck Hajduk. We all know that. I can't seem to find Tim anywhere. So I'll be trying to fit through this gap. You know, to see if we can find him. So, I'll catch you on the other side, guys. Or, no, I can just actually go through there. Okay, never mind then. Well, it seems like that was a dumb idea. So yeah, let's just walk. Okay guys, let's go explore this building. So I don't know where Timur and Faruk are. Yeah, there might be somewhere here. I don't know. Let's just look for them. Speak. What do you need? Where are you? Timur, do you copy? Where are you? Let's try to ring him.
Where are you?
In the second building. Yo, where are you guys?
Wait, come here. We want something here. Come here.
Where? Come where? Where the fuck are you?
The main building, dude. The main building. Shoot that one.
Copy that, coming.
Yeah. Sure. I'm
Well.
waiting further instructions.
Well, seems like we're regrouping. It does seem to be getting quite hot over here, so guessing I'll have to remove this shit. So, yeah, I can hear them. It might be over here. Yeah, right there.
You know the door that was the bathroom door.
It was unlocked, now it's locked.
It's locked.
Somebody locked
And the orange suit we were talking about, the guy with the orange suit. So we found that suit in the same spot, bro.
Oh wait, you mean the
doorman
dude
was
that
also
chased you?
broken. No. I mean, he was kind of looking at us really, and then he was like hiding around, trying to like get after us. But
Oh
he
shit.
wasn't really chasing.
What bathroom door?
Look, dude.
Oh, that shit.
It's locked. It's fucking locked. And you remember this reflection suit?
And now it's here.
I remember I fucking broke this. I fucking punched this shit.
This door was unlocked the last time.
It
and
was
now it's
unlocked.
fucking locked. I don't break it. We might
There
find
was
key.
a room with keys. Where
It was
is it?
the key we found. I'll be that.
I left you the key, Timur.
No, dude, that wasn't. It was the room 8B. It's there.
Well.
But it might be in the desk in the office room.
I mean, we can just break it down. But that's not what we do.
I don't want to do that. We already made the mess.
What is here, guys? Oh, it's the bathroom now, fam. 3 a.m. ghosts be haunting me in this building. Yeah. There's basically no way I'm getting there. Where? Oh, yeah.
I need you to give me a boost.
We can just go this way, though.
Hold my camera.
Give me the camera. Faruk, boost him.
Give me a boost.
Right.
Nice.
Can you go in?
He got through.
Camera back. Yo, take your camera, bro.
Timur, take your camera. Your flash is not on. You don't need it. Well, I'll be going this way though. Cause fuck him. Just go here. Let's go. Right there, I think, probably.
Damn, the car, bro.
Yo, there was no. Timur will be calling us. What, fam?
What are you?
Right fucking here. I know you can hear me. Good.
Someone's there. Someone is there. Someone is there.
Quiet. Somebody's in.
Somebody. Okay, fine. Wait, a metal object hitting the other metal object.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Just be sitting in this chair.
This is so goddamn old.
Basically.
Yo, let's go to the other building.
Yeah, we are important if he gets in this room. We gotta get out.
Yeah.
You can just beat the
no
shit out
eyes.
of him.
Let's go.
Yo, you want me to stay? Surveillance?
Come here.
Yeah, there's another desk in here. Can you hold the camera?
Wait. I have an idea though. What the fuck are they doing?
You got this?
What did he find? Let's try and list through this shit. There's some document. There's basically bullshit. Well, that's interesting, I think. Right? Good
Let's go
fun.
to the other building.
Yeah. You sure there was somebody there?
Yeah, I heard something metal hitting the other metal thing. You know, it was like. And it was pretty goddamn loud.
They did not need to hear that.
Oh shit, this is a perfume. X. Look. An
Holy
X
shit, there's a new perfume.
What is that?
What?
That thing.
Perfume.
An Axe perfume.
Look at this floor. It's like so. Oh my god.
It's soggy. It's fucking disgusting. Let's just go. Maybe that was the metal noise. You sure? Что здесь?
There are people there.
There's fucking people. Let's just get here. Get in here, get in here. Yeah, let's close the door.
No, don't close. This is awful. They will notice this.
They wouldn't know. They would never know.
I don't know, are those just like. Fuck. My phone turned off.
Wait, is it dead?
Yes.
How did your battery drain so fast?
I don't know, it was like on 50%. Let's go through the building. Let's go. It's our only way out.
Sure.
If we go through that door, the main door, they will see us. They will listen.
Holy shit, there's actually. Can I zoom?
The truck literally moved.
Yeah, look at all the smoke. There's so much dust. Holy shit. We might. I think I'm gonna like have to go through here.
Give me a boost.
Hold it in record.
Фарук, значи, некој возио тај камион.
Yes.
Отишли су сад. I think it's safe now. I think it's safe now.
It can't be fucking safe.
Can't be safe. I
I
mean,
hurt my leg, bro. I hurt my fucking leg, dude. When I was jumping through the window.
how did you hurt your
I
leg?
can't really walk.
Shit.
If they sniper. Yeah, I told you somebody's here.
There's a fucking car, it's freshly arrived. There's dust. You see the green car?
Something serious. I need to take a piss.
Oh yeah.
Really need to take a fucking piss.
Okay, there's nobody in the car.
But we can't go. What if somebody's in the house?
I was in the house. I
In
mean,
the big one?
not that one. In this one.
Well, that is the spot where they parked in the cars, man. But if the CS was fucking screw, man.
Well,
That was probably the guy in the orange
We
suit.
aren't doing anything illegal. This is
this isn't illegal.
I mean, yeah, this isn't illegal.
What do you mean? We could just say we're taking pictures for Instagram or something.
Is this building still in use? I mean, yeah, as you can see, it's been abandoned for a lot of years. But I think this is just the place where they store their vehicles.
Or maybe just hang out.
Yeah, possible. We've seen a lot of beer bottles here.
Yeah, all the beers and shit.
Yeah.
Well, basically, it's not safe, so we're gonna have to end it.
If you go to visit any abandoned places, just don't vandalize them. You know, follow our rules. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footsteps.
Here we go again with the same motto that I've totally never heard. Okay, it's getting a little bit sketch. Goodbye. We're back, guys. The guys will catch up, I think. Yo, guys. Split up, okay? You'll be with Timur. Timur, stay with Faruk if you need me. Radio. Okay? Look at the sky. Isn't it beautiful today? Damn, boy. That's pretty nice. Going quiet. Because there might actually be someone here. Let's go into first person POV. So I know I've already partially explored this part of the building. But when Timur called me, I went back and I never really finished the whole building, so that's why I went in the same building 2 times. Damn. Look at them. I don't know what he's doing over there, but he's doing something. So. Oh. It's like a car headlight. And a fucking vacuum cleaner. Holy Jesus. Look. It's like a fucking calendar from 2007. Nothing here. Okay, nice. So, also, I thought there was somebody behind me. That must be Timur. Do you copy? What do you need?
He says here. Pepe found something.
They found something. What do you want to do?
Get your ass in here.
Let me just finish this for a second. I got two rooms. They found a tunnel. Okay, fuck.
There's like an underground tunnel here.
Fuck this building. I'm going there now. Sure, copy that. Come in. Let's go. There doesn't seem to be anybody here.
So guys, there's like an first time we were here, we completely missed this building. I don't know how, because it's kind of impossible to miss. But there's, you know, some pipes here that are going from the ground to the top, and there's like a tunnel type of thing. I don't know if it's just a sewer or is it a evacuation tunnel. I mean, this is a building. Why the hell do they have like a tunnel? So yeah, you can record this.
Yeah, let's go. What's wrong with your phone?
Nothing, I turned it off.
Why?
I recorded you.
Oh. It really doesn't matter, Sam.
Yo, let's go in the building on the left.
Wait, what about the tunnel though?
Yeah.
Well, the ceiling collapsed, so I don't think we can go right now in here, but we can go record that.
Let's try.
And it goes like God knows how long. Oh! That still doesn't go that. Oh, it doesn't?
Oh, well then, who gives a fuck?
Where go?
Okay, it does.
Give me the plug.
It does go pretty deep.
Yeah, but it seems bored off.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't seem boarded off. It just seems collapsed in on itself. Well, that was a shame. I really thought we were going to go underground. That would be really cool.
Like, why are you all using masks and I'm not?
Because
Don't record that.
sure.
So guys, here, I'm recording my phone. So,
Get your camera out, Timur.
yeah, sure.
I'll go first.
This is like, I don't know, the ceiling has collapsed. There's a couch, mattress piece, rug.
Look at this. Look at all of this shit. And the best part
So guys, we're going to show this.
is all of the documents on the floors.
The documents, as you can see, these are all documents from this and something stuff.
Look at the fucking ball.
These are broken rights. Here, football.
Yeah. And this just seems to be
Yeah, here's like somebody.
an exit.
Now this is
Oh, this just seems like a lot of shit.
yeah. This is like some. This is like a lot of just shit on the floor. Not like shit, not like
It's like actual shit.
ugh.
It is shit. Get out of here.
Like dry shit, powdered shit.
Like fucking fossilized 25 century old shit. Not really, but yeah.
Oh, dude, that was some.
That was some smelly shit,
That's
fam.
That's what worries me.
First things first. Look at that. Whoa. Holy shit, this actually doesn't have a Katran in it. Okay, those were definitely not there. And these fucking rooms.
And yeah, some of these doors were closed, so that means.
Last time, there was somebody's fucking cold beer and still hot coffee in this fucking room. Let's see if there's somebody here there now. If there is, prepare to fucking run. Holy fucking shit. Look at that. The new equipment. And the cola. Fucking cola. Look at the colas over there.
Somebody's here. At least somebody was here. They
There definitely somebody was definitely here.
Dance. A lot of like hoses.
I think it should be obvious why, but I'm thinking. Oh, car's coming. I'm thinking of getting the fuck out of here.
Alcatraz, find Alcatraz.
Alcatraz, so that means fucking get out of here. Put a mask
Find
on.
Alcatraz.
Affirmative. Let's fucking go.
Stop.
What?
Dude, false alarm.
Fucking false alarm.
The car stopped, and I thought somebody was gonna get in, but then he just like turned in the, like the
He
other
did a
direction.
U-turn.
What?
He did the U-turn. He
So there's,
basically.
like, still one.
Well, sure. Let's go. Look at them. I'm guessing I should run too. Fucking he's walkie-talkie. Oh, let's fucking run, mate.
Pepe, you take my backpack. I'm gonna go inside. in case I need to contact you because there's no small chance that I could just contact you.
Let's take his backpack.
Holy shit, there's like a dog.
Yeah. What do you mean? Yo!
This is like the barrier when you're driving with your car on a highway.
Yo!
Really fast road, so you don't.
Look at this.
It's like for like a boat or something. Let's go there.
Let's go, guys. I think that's enough. There doesn't seem to be anything else here. Except workers that actually still work here. Which is kind of surprising if you look at the state of these buildings. The state is awful. Is anyone there? If you are, come out right now. We're friendly. There doesn't seem to be anybody here. Also, guys, this is the end of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. As always, stay sharp.